think this is going to be Mom's, so she wants pickles. I'll do this. Do you want a lot of pickles or just kind of a sprinkling? One more. Doesn't fluctuate too much within the city limits here. Okay. Yeah, I know my parents like grew up in Central California, but yeah. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna. Yeah, I guess I'll put this in there. I'll split it in half so it will cut well. Dad, did you want pickles or no?
This is sprinkling.
Okay. And would you like red onion? And I'm so sorry. I forgot to get enough lettuce for sandwiches, so. Okay. Oh, do you not like the lettuce?
It's just kind of an irritant.
Really? Interesting. Okay. Sprinkling. It's not like Orange County where it's different every 5 to 10 miles. Oh yeah, because we're near like closer to the ocean or farther or whatever. Mustard for everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I'll slice some red onion real quick. I'll do the red onion over here. Oh, cheese. I almost forgot. Pepper jack cheese for everybody is okay? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This doesn't sound like folk to me, but
No.
it was, yeah. Something like that.
But it's sort of a folk, but it doesn't sound like coffee.
Yeah.
Not rock and roll, it's not country.
It's, what genre of music would you guys call this? I'm asking the chat because sometimes they are better at that stuff than I am. I'm going to put a little bit more. This one doesn't feel like it got quite enough. We do have chips. We do have chips to go with this. Not to worry.
Good.
Huh?
Sounds good.
Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna put that back in there because we'll use that another time. Okay, we'll add the onion next and then the mustard. I'm gonna peel a little bit of this, not all the way. I guess it's kind of peeling all of it. I'm just gonna peel all of it, I guess. Oh, water time. Oh yeah, water and chips. Although I have some ginger beer. If Dad's eyebrows went up. If you ever don't want us to provide you with ginger beer when you're here, like, let me know. But no, ginger beer is not. Although I wonder if that would be good in a margarita. Ginger beer. Ginger margarita. I wonder if that's yeah, well, the Moscow Mule. Well, Moscow Mule is like the most traditional ginger beer one, but I wonder if you could do it. I've seen it in other things. I think I've seen it in a margarita. I would try it. Ginger beer is using in some other, yeah. Or you can just have, oh, this is a lot of onion, I feel like. Let's go for it. Yeah. That's good. No, I think it's going to be a good amount, actually. I did them really thin, so. That one's not good. Ginger margarita? Yeah, I'll have to think about that sometime. That sounds really yummy. But I just love ginger beer, so maybe that's why. Have you ever had ginger chews, Dad?
No.
Ooh. They're spicy because they've got the ginger. If you don't like the spice of ginger, you wouldn't like it, but
I do like it.
yeah. I'll have to bring some or provide some at some point. Okay, this is...
You know that your cousin is a coffee bar folk singer?
Which one?
Lisa,
Lisa.
Oh, I could totally see that.
she writes her own music.
Lisa. I want to hear her. I've heard her sing, but not recently. Okay, here we go. Mustard time. That's looking pretty good.